I'm Jennifer Ellis. I'm Director of Homes and Communities at RHA. We're a community-based housing association, and we have our head office in Tonypandy, and we've been operating in the local area for around 40 years. We have just over 1,700 homes, but as well as being a social landlord, we have a real commitment to community regeneration and being an anchor organisation in the area, and really working with local partners to deliver some of our more social responsibilities and our aims and aspirations to help to regenerate the local area. So RHA's co-working hub project is called the Workshed. It's based in our head office in Tonypandy, where we're looking to repurpose the ground floor of our building to create a flexible, open co-working space. We'll be providing 12 desks, meeting rooms, breakout areas for people to network, and obviously, facilities such as a host and kitchen facilities and things like that. We're aware through our community networks that there's a real opportunity here to provide something for people who live in the Rhondda area, the wider Rhondda area, to have a space that they can come to, perhaps if they're setting up their own business, if they're sole traders, if they're entrepreneurs or freelancers, our own tenants who may be either looking to set up their own business or perhaps working for another organisation but don't want to travel perhaps to a further head office environment. So we know there's a lot of opportunity in the local area for people to come and join with us, people who perhaps share our vision and values as an organisation, and create this really fantastic community space where people can learn, grow, work together, and obviously help through that to regenerate the local community. I think some of what we're aiming to achieve is an increased footfall in the town centre of Tonypandy through this project. Also links to the foundational economy, so whether we can work with other businesses in the area who may be able to provide services into the co-working space as well. So I think it's a real opportunity for us as an anchor organisation in the area to promote a real community facility in the area through our head office building. In the future, we know town centres are going to be used differently. Probably it won't all be about retail, or much less about retail. So it's about how we create a destination place with our partners, and really use town centre spaces for work, leisure, and those other kind of reasons that people may come, just to kind of create, help to regenerate the high street really. So yeah, we think we've got quite a role to play in that.